everyone, today we are going to be doing another plan with me video. Yes, another plan with me video. If you guys didn't watch the first ones, I will link it down below. I will admit it was a bit of a dud, but we're going to be doing it a little bit different this time. So basically, if you didn't watch the first one, let me give you a little bit of a rundown of what my planner is. I get my Happy Planner from Hobby Lobby, and I keep a planner around because it's helped me with getting bills done on time, get them paid on time, the right day. Because I mean, when you have so many bills or so many things going on in one household, it's really hard to keep track of what needs to be paid, when is it paid, what day is it due, especially when you have so much going on. You can, for any of the mamas out there, if you have like kids and there are doctor's appointments, dentist appointments, school, back to school nights, I mean anything that you could possibly think of, you can put in this planner and it makes a world of a difference. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my Happy Planner for the month of February. I'm going to try to do these about at the end of every month so that way you guys can see how I do each month. But we already did January, so now we are going to be doing for the month of February. If you guys would like to see how I plan my planner, then just keep on watching. So first things first is I always keep my old planner around, and I keep this around because I have a lot of stuff in this planner. This is for the year of 2019. Yeah, 2019. And I do this because I keep a lot of stuff in here. That way I know for sure when things are due, exactly what dates. Sometimes we've switched days on when certain bills are due. So I always like to keep this around, that way I know for sure when something is due. I never actually throw my planners away because if for any reason I need to go back and look, tax purposes or anything like that, birthdays, I can always run back and look at my old planner. So I always keep these around, but especially because I've been putting the stickers in the month of January, I cover some of the dates. So because of that, I always want to make sure that I have the right day. So I keep my old planner around always. And then I always keep a list over here. It has everything written down. So like for the month of February, you know, Valentine's Day is due, Groundhog's Day, President's Day, and I like to keep those written down on top of when all the bills are due, birthdays, and other events that are going on. So I write down everything on a pad of paper. I always have colored pens. These are like a felt tip pen, and I like these because I think it makes the planner a bit more fun and festive. You don't have to do that. If not, I always have a pen on handy, but I kind of like the fun and festive pens. I want to say I got these at maybe Hobby Lobby? I'm not sure. And now for my favorite part, the stickers. I'm actually going to be showing you guys all the stickers, even them from last month, to show you guys which ones I get. I get them from Etsy, and I'm going to be linking them all down below just in case you guys would like any of these. These are great companies. I love their stickers, and I'm actually going to be giving them all a shout out today. This video is not sponsored by any of them. I just wanted to give all these companies a very, very big shout out. So let's go ahead and show you the stickers. So these stickers are actually for the month of January, and I kept all of them because, I mean, just in case you ever need them for any reason, it's always nice to have on hand. You can always use them for something. 4th of July can also go for stuff that has New Year's stuff in it. I think it works out perfectly. And I really like the way that these stickers are. I will show you guys my January layout when I dive into the planner. That way I can show you kind of how I did it. But this company is great. They sent me a little paper clip thank you set of stickers. And I think they're so adorable. They didn't have to do that. That's very, very sweet of them. This is actually from Lux Kitty Designs. And I just think that they are so cute. They add a little bit of flair per each month, so I really, really love these stickers. Next for the month of February, and this is actually from Pineapple Stickers Company, and I loved the way this looked. I like it because it's not just like the normal red and pink for Valentine's Day. I actually thought it was super cute how there's like blue and gold, and it's like baby pink, and they're just different. And this setting is perfect for my Happy Planner because of the way that it's set up. You'll see when I do it, it's perfect for how the planner is set up. It's gonna fit perfectly for where it says February and where it says 2020. So I love that. And then there are some other stickers. These are to add into the random boxes, which I like because, of course, you know, it decorates it. This is the one that kind of sets the tone for the month, so I love this one. So there's Valentine's Day, there's President's Day, Groundhog's Day. I know you can't really see it, it's because of my lighting, so I apologize, but you'll see it better when I put it in the planner. They have a bunch of paydays, which I like because I always write down when my husband has paydays. The numbers is actually perfect because, like I said earlier, I cover up some of the numbers sometimes when I'm doing stuff. So that's always super helpful that I can always put the numbers right back in. And they also sent an extra like thank you stickers, and I think they're so cute. It looks like a drink, it's groceries, there's a cactus, there's a llama, there's a workout. So, oh, there's also a Instagram. So I will be linking their Instagrams also down below. So thank you guys to Pineapple Stickers Company. I really, really like your stickers. This one I was actually super excited to get also because it is everything YouTube. So for all of my YouTube friends out there who do other YouTube videos, these are lovely stickers. They have filming, they have editing, they have voiceover, they have uploads, and they have a bunch of them. I loved these and I couldn't wait for them to come in. And they gave also an extra thank you. These are actually little animated ones. They're like little, it's a person, which is, I think, is super cute. They also have an Instagram. This is from Elaine. I hope I'm saying your name right. Elaine Michelle, but if not, I will be linking it down below just in case I botch it completely. But one says payday. That's super cute. Love the payday ones. One, they're editing on YouTube or watching YouTube, and I think that's so cute. I will be definitely putting that in there. And what does this one say? Not today. I think that's so cute. I love these. Thank you guys so much. Thank you, Elaine Michelle Studios. I love these stickers. I cannot wait to use these. I've been waiting for them to come in. So if you guys like these, check the link down below and yeah, give her an order. And last but certainly not least, these are must be my favorite ones. This is actually from Mowgli and Me. They sent another thank you card, and these are llamas, and I think it was so cute because like the llama's doing laundry, they're on the computer, they're working out, groceries, cooking. I think it's so adorable. I love these. This is another thank you. Once again, they don't have to send the thank you cards with extra stickers, but I think it's definitely super sweet that they do. And then they also have Groundhog's Day ones, which I think are so cute. I want to definitely add these to it because I know Groundhog's Day is coming up. So these are really adorable. They're sleeping, sun's out. It's so cute. I love these. And then for the best part, I love these. Everyone knows, if you guys have watched my dog video, my dogs are my babies. So these are perfect for any of you dog lovers out there. They have, it's dog food, they have flea tick medicine. Now I don't use this on my dogs as much because where I live in dry areas, so this won't really work out here, but I can always use this for something and I will know what it's for. So my dog Oso, he's my problem child. Sometimes he gets ear infections or sometimes he has to take his skin medicine. So the flea and tick can always work for that, no problem. Time for shots, that can also work for when my dogs have their checkup or their boosters. Nail trim, dogs always have to have their nails trimmed. That's gonna be a very good one. Groomer, heartworm medicine. Once again, we don't really use heartworm medicine, but for any other meds, this will work perfectly. If you guys do use this stuff, this is always a great way to keep organized. Vet appointment, another nail trim, another groomer, another heartworm medicine. Buy treats, definitely need this one. I definitely need this one because I am running out of treats always. And then we have more dog food. So if you guys like the Mowgli and Me stickers, once again, check the links down below. So I would like to thank all of these companies for their stickers, and I would also like to thank them for letting me say their name in the video. I really appreciate this, you guys. I love your guys' stickers, and I cannot keep waiting to do business with you guys. So now, let's go ahead and jump into the planner. So this is my setup for the month of January, and I have my goals on the side. I have when videos are being shot. I have my husband's birthday. I have grocery shopping, paydays, everything that we need in every single video that I would like to record. Also on top of that, I have bills that are due. When orders are coming in, order the stickers. See, remember to order the stickers for the planner. Now, if you guys don't like the stickers, you don't have to buy them. I know that I've seen a couple of people say that, you know, it's kind of a little childish, but the way that I see it is because I have to do this and adulting is hard, I would like to have stickers. In a way, it kind of just makes me feel like it relaxes me a little bit. It's kind of like coloring, where it just is a stress reliever. So I actually like the stickers. Plus it puts me in a good mood every single month when I go to look at my planner. It kind of makes me feel like it's not as bad because I have the stickers going. But I definitely recommend getting the planner. It helps keep everything organized. I didn't show you guys what's behind in January. These are just like, each month actually has like a day. So it's the 1st, the 2nd, the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, and it's like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I know you can't really tell because I write all over it. But what I do is I just use this as like junk space. So like I'll make my grocery list. Sometimes I will doodle if I'm in there. I will make a to-do list. This is just off to the side. I have video ideas. I have another thing of video ideas. So I will just use this random spot to just basically do anything. And I didn't touch this area, so you can kind of see the layout. And then behind that, you have monthly goals, notes, important dates and birthdays. They also have a little bit of a list right here, and then it goes into the next month. So this is going to be the new layout for the month of February. What I'm gonna be doing is putting down the stickers first, and then we're gonna go in and write some of the dates. So we're gonna speed through that part, and yeah. So now that my desk is all a mess, basically this is my outcome. I know it looks a little cluttered, but when you get up close, which I'll show you in a second, it's all laid out. Basically what I did was I went through and I did all the bills that are due first. Things that I need to do, I marked in like red that need to be done. So like we canceled with Netflix, so it's like, you know, make sure that we canceled. I have videos that I already have filmed that I need to get up, so those are all marked in red. Everyone that has a filming day and an editing day and all that other stuff, I have all of the stickers for the filming, the editing, the voiceover, the upload. I know which videos I'm doing. I had already wrote down before in my other planner, week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 of this month. So I knew exactly where to put them. But what I did was when I first put everything down, I did all the random spots that I know have nothing in them. So I put down those, and then I basically put down when certain bills were due and then decorated as I went. So certain days like Valentine's Day, of course, you know, I'm just gonna decorate it. On the weekends, since we are moving, we're gonna be working on stuff that needs to be done with the house. I have Groundhog's Day done. And then like I said, I always film on like a Monday or a Tuesday. So each one of these days basically already have like the filming, the editing, and then I decorated it with some of the random little stickers that I got, the Groundhog's Day, the pin, I just kind of decorated it, the balloons. Basically anything that is important has a little note. So that is going to be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like these plan with me videos, please let me know down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. I'm gonna be doing these once a month. I'm also gonna be throwing some budgeting in very soon, but I kind of wanted to get you guys kind of the gist of what my planner looks like and what it does. Like I said, guys, this helps me out so much. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.